Hi guys, I'm Sylvia and this is Olivia, and this is the second part to the video of how to decorate unicorn cookies. In the last video I showed you how to make some really simple unicorn cookies, and in this one we're going to do one that's slightly more challenging but it's still very simple. So let's do it. I'm going to use the shape to cut it out, and then I'm going to use the shape to cut out the fondant, and then we'll continue with the hair. So here, you get started with the rolling, I will get started with the cutting. Does that sound good?
Okay.
All right, go for it.
Okay.
You know what to do.
What do I roll? Oh.
The white.
Can I use the small one?
No.
I don't want to smash you, Cookie.
Do mine first and then you copy yours, okay? So watch how I do it very carefully. We're going to work on the hair, so we're going to use our whatever colors we want. What colors do we want?
Pink, purple, and blue.
Pink, purple, and blue again, all of them?
Yes.
How about I'm going to make mine blue and purple and make the flower pink. So I'm going to start with the purple, and I'm going to start to shape them like hair. So now that we have done the hair, you want to lift yours up so everybody can see?
Actually, I'm going to take away a little bit here.
Okay. Well, I did all the hair, kind of following my drawing as a guide. We can color the horn. How about that?
Okay.
So I will do the same that I did before. I'm going to paint with my liquor. Now I have an edible ink marker, and if you don't have that, you can use a little bit of fondant, or you can use just some of your food coloring and paint it on. So I am going to use this because it's easier, and I am going to, okay, how about this? I'm gonna show you a trick, Olivia. If you're not very comfortable drawing, you can put your paper over, and with your X-Acto you can make a teeny little hole to where your eye starts. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a little mark all through the parts that I want to draw and copy. So then when I lift up, you don't have to, but when I lift up the paper, the little marks will be there, and then I can just trace them. So see, I will just follow in the line.
Follow the dots, follow the dots, follow the dots. I'll follow it.
This is it.
These
These
two
are
are
the
mine.
Easy Unicorn cookies. I hope you guys like them and I hope
Can we
it was
make
fun.
more?
Yeah, we can make more.
Yeah.
How many more?
All of them.
All of them. Okay. Was that really hard to make?
No.
Fun?
Yes.
Good. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you guys give it a try. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and see you guys soon.